What's up, you guys? It's me, the Queen. Welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? I'm doing fabulous as ever. It's July 3rd. I'm excited because I'm not doing anything tomorrow. Thesis, no, for real, I don't really like fireworks in the first place. And, just boring like that. I look really pretty today. Wow. Normally I'm like, I look so ugly, but right now I'm looking very nude and kind of pretty. Unlike Tana. I'm kidding, no, I mean, she's pretty. But before we even jump into this look, I gotta show y'all the power of this lip gloss here. This is the Color Icon Lip Gloss by Wet n Wild in shade Aries, and it's so good. Normally, I'd put a lipstick under my gloss, but just wait a minute. Give it a second. You gotta put quite a bit on, but it looks so good. I love this lip gloss. It is so good. Yes. It's getting there, but you can see that red sheen to it. Because it really looks purple. Like, that's purple. But on my lips, it's like purple and a red. And I'm just like, whoa. That's iconic. God. I could put this on my lips all day, babe. Don't even play with me. If you have, like, I remember the first time I used this and really liked it, because at first I was like, I just thought it was red, and I thought it would look really pretty, but it looks so good. I put this on top of this e.l.f. red liquid lip, and so today, my makeup's gonna be, basically kind of nude with a pop. That is the lip gloss here. That's my pop. Don't come for me. So here's the pop of this look. And now, without further ado, ta-da! It's the same palette. I know, I've been using it a lot. I don't own a lot of eyeshadow palettes, okay? I have 3 palettes, right? I have this Wet n Wild one, which I don't use often. I have my LA Color one over there. It was very cheap, and I used that before I got this. Now listen, I've never showed y'all this, but this shade here, just watch it happen. Just watch the magic. I'm gonna dip into it with my highlighter. Just put some on the nose. Put a little bit on the cheeks. And I already have some of it on, but I also like to combine this with my actual highlighter, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette en Clair, or Eclairage. I'm sorry, I really don't know how to pronounce things. But without further ado, let's jump into this look. Okay, starting off with a BAM, we're going to jump in with this shade here. It is the lightest brown in the palette. And I did this look yesterday. I made a couple TikToks, because I said, why not just jump on and be fabulous. But yeah, so I'm just going to do a really simple eye look today, using really light colors, because I've never really done that. I always like to take it, like, even when I'm supposed to be doing a nude look, I always take it to the bold. I mean, do you see this lip, babe? Like, don't even play with me. I have my beauty mirror over there for lighting. It really helps. Ew, you can see my sweat though. It's kind of nasty, not gonna lie. So, I'm basically doing like a get ready for school. Oh my god, I should use just future video content ideas I'm living. Also, Wet n Wild's having a launch that comes out in like a couple weeks, and I have like just a little bit of money, like 20 bucks. And do you want me to like get stuff from that to review? I'm all down for a review. Actually sounds kind of iconic coming from me, cause I'm fabulous. No. But seriously, I've been kind of wanting to like dive into reviews, and I think my favorite drugstore brand would be an excellent first review. All of like so many of their products kill. We have had a few mishaps. Like there's a reason I don't have a setting spray anymore. But you know, I have no like grudge with them, and yeah, I love their stuff. They have amazing products. I'm gonna dip into the shade right here. Wet n Wild's literally, honestly, my favorite. I was considering buying the Bretman Rock palette, but I decided to spend that on this Morphe palette because, you know, it's bigger and it has more shades, and Morphe's been known to kill it. Yes. Oh my god, yes. So I'm using this to kind of like finish off that crease look. If you can't tell, I'm using a bronzy gold shadow to really help with that. It's shimmery, it's so good, and what's blended in with the other shadow, it looks really iconic. I honestly feel like I could just walk outside right now and be like, oh hi, and everyone's be like, oh, fabulous. Cause I'm just that thing, man. Like, I'm the queen, and y'all better respect. So now I'm gonna dive in with this shade here. And I'm gonna focus that on the outer part of my eye, just for quick. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. It's very light, and that's the thing I like about this look, is how light it is. It makes me, I feel like I can honestly go to school like this. If and when school comes back, I do miss going to school. Going to school is one of my favorite things. It got me out of the house. It allowed me just to live my life a little bit more. I'm gonna go with these 3 shades now to accentuate the rest of the eye. But I honestly really do miss school. School was like the only time I really left the house, and now I'm stuck here, and I'm just like, Jesus, help me. You know what I mean? It's just, it's a little rough, and I'm kind of like I've been going through it actually, but you know, I'm ready to just, it gave me a chance to really dabble in makeup, and I got 10 times better once quarantine started. I think it's over, but the States here in the US, since we're all a bunch of idiots, well, many of us are, and we're going outside without masks on, you know, not being the smartest people ever. Yeah. I'm just gonna stop myself there before everyone gets mad at me and I'm canceled before I even start. Hello? Ooh. That looks so pretty. I'm living for it, but it's not dark enough. Really just trying to even it out right now. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes because, like I explained in my last video, I don't have much space on this phone. I have like 16 gigs, and a lot of the time when I do make a video, it takes up a lot of space. Yeah, they look really even now. Maybe just this one's a little bit lighter. I'm just going back in with that matte shade to really even it out. I like how there isn't too much fallout on my eyes. I did make it really big, so what I do like to do is have a concealer brush, my concealer, and I like to apply it directly to the brush, so there's like a little bit on the wand. I'm just going to take that, and I'm just going to go back in and clean that up a little bit. I don't really like using stencils. It's just not my cup of tea at all. Stencils aren't really my thing. I know some people do use eye stencils. No shade. Yes, they work. And oh my goodness, the brush fell, guys. Tragic. Tap, clean. I feel like this comes out a lot more than this one does, so let me just cancel that out. Ooh. So I said I was going to keep this under 10 minutes, but it's clearly not going to happen. So I'm going to use the other two shades that I mentioned, starting off with the shade before the lightest. And I'm just going to put that right next to it, the shade that I put on previously. On both lids. And I'm going to grab my Wet n Wild brush again. I'm just going to blend that out really quick. And I'm going to take this brush again. This is my small eye brush from Emax. And I'm going to, actually I should probably do it right here. Close one eye. And bam. I like to highlight that inner corner a lot. It's one of my favorite things. Just gonna do the same on the other eye. And smoke out the bottom with that Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna take the shade that I put here, and I'm gonna dip into it lightly, and go under my eye to kind of help smoke that out. I think Wet n Wild dropped a new eyeliner too, and I've really been wanting a better eyeliner of theirs. The eyeliner formula is actually really good, so it's kind of tragic that the one I have is only the packaging design, but I'm gonna go throw on a very simple eyeliner look and mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, so I have my eyeliner on. It's very simple, easy wing, you know, nothing too difficult. This is, after all, just a very simple look, you know, nothing too dramatic, and I figured I'm gonna do my mascara on the camera for just because like a why not factor. I'm probably gonna do like 3 layers of this. Definitely always get those bottom lashes, girl. Sometimes I do like to just do this with my bottom lashes for a messy mascara look. Ta-da! It is so good. I love Maybelline's Colossal Lash. I think it's really good drugstore formula. We all have our opinions on mascaras. If you're gonna buy like a high-end mascara, I would recommend it Colossal Lash. I recommended that to one of my teachers, and she was like, thank you. Because she was using the Too Faced one, because she was like subscribed to one of those like box things where like they send makeup to you and stuff. She got sent that, and she's like, it's such a good mascara. The only problem is that it's really watery on my eyelids and stuff. And I was like, oh, you should try it it's superhero mascara, and it literally saved her lashes. She ordered it, and then like right before, the day before we, it was like the exact day we left and didn't come back was the day she was like, oh hey, I finally got that mascara. I'm wearing it today, and I was like, yes. I'm just gonna throw some more lip gloss on and call it good. Okay guys, this is the final look. Like, it's pretty obvious that I kind of just showed you it. But this is officially my final rendition of the look. I think it looks really pretty. Simple wing eyeliner. Very... Yeah, it's on the screen, okay. Very easy, you know, nothing too hard. Maybe next time I'll do a full face for like school when you're like, oh, go, you gotta get ready in like 20 minutes, which, hun, I still take 40 minutes. Actually, now I'm down to like an hour because I finally started caring about the preciseness. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!